Here's the unboxing of my Sony ZV-E10 camera that I got from Adorama. Came in today. Just 2-day shipping, which is really great. Came in really fast. Packaging looks really good. This is the camera bag that was included in the combo kit. Slinger. I'll see if I use it or not. I'll play with it. Came with some filters here. Ultraviolet, circular polarizer, and neutral density. Both for the kit lens as well as the other lens that I bought. $32GB memory card. I did order a 120GB card. Should be in tomorrow from Amazon. This will get me started. This looks like it's the software key for Corel Video. I'll play with that later on. This is the E55 to 210 lens E-mount. Having a little trouble getting it open here. Well, let's get that. Here's the star of the show. This is the Sony right there. Bought the kit lens with it. You know, let's move this box out of the way. Ooh, this is pretty nice. So here it is. Feels very light. I had a Canon 80D. It was very extremely heavy. I barely used it. I returned it. Nice and shiny. This is really light. This is nice. I'm liking it already. Sit that one down. Here's the charger. USB charger, but I'm going to order an extra battery charger that plugs in the wall. Strap. The actual battery. Alright, see if I can get this open. If not, I'm going to do it off camera. There we go, I think I got it. This feels very lightweight too. Oops. Here's the lens hood for it. This is very lightweight. This is nice. Has the lens hood right there. So, yeah, that's going to be kind of big, pretty much carrying around. I'll be able to put in my pocket, and then if I want to see something, I can zoom in like that. This is really light, a lot lighter than my 80D, that's for sure. So there you have it. There's my unboxing of the Sony ZV-E10. Excited to charge up and play around and use it. Alrighty.